Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you 3 super fun hairstyles for the holiday season. So if you would like to see what I've come up with, then just keep watching. So for hairstyle number 1, I'm just going to simply curl my hair. This is something you guys have seen me do a million times, but I thought I would show you again for all of the newcomers. So I clip in my 16-inch Foxy Locks extensions, and I'm wearing the shade Off Black, and I'm going to curl them with, I believe it's a 1.5-inch barrel by T3, and I'm just going to wrap the hair through it just one time and then just kind of drag it through. It's kind of hard to describe, but as you can see, I kind of wrap the hair around the barrel once, maybe twice, and then I drag that barrel down to kind of create a loose beachy wave. And I'm just going to continue doing that throughout my entire head of hair. So I'll clip in my 16-inch Foxy Locks extensions and then curl bit by bit. Now the 16-inch Foxy Locks extensions are basically the exact same length as my natural hair. I'm just clipping them in to add some extra volume for the holidays. You know, everybody likes to have big, voluminous, luscious hair. And then I'm going to brush those curls out so they're very, very loose and kind of effortless. And I'm going to grab some bobby pins and these cute little clips that I picked up from Zara, and I'm going to clip them to the side of my head to give me kind of a glamorous curl look. So the next hairstyle is a halo braid done on 7th day hair. I know guys, it's gross, don't judge me, but honestly my hair doesn't get greasy that quickly and I'm a mom, I don't have time to wash my hair, so the longer a hairstyle can last, the better. So basically a halo braid is just a Dutch braid that goes around your head. I've done tutorials on this before where I go more in depth, so I will have those linked for you to check them out if you need some more assistance. But I'm just going to create a halo braid, fan it out so it's super voluminous, pull out a few bang pieces, and then tuck that braid in behind the back. And then I grabbed these beautiful star clips from Amazon, and I'm just going to add those as cute little details because my hair is dark and it is kind of hard to see the braid. And the last hairstyle is done on my curly hair. This headband I picked up from Zara, and honestly I am so obsessed with it, and I love, love, love wearing it with my curly hair. So you can either wear it like this and just leave it and then just pick the back of your hair for some extra volume, totally up to you. But I decided to create this very simple updo, so I'm going to grab the front pieces of hair that I had left out in front of the headband, and I'm going to wrap it to the back and pin it into place. And I'm trying to be very delicate because this is a fresh wash and go, and I am not trying to make it get any frizzy. I'm trying to conserve as much definition as I possibly can. And then I'm going to grab the remainder of the hair and I'm going to secure it in a very low, loose bun. And there you have it, a very beautiful, sparkly updo for the holidays. And that is it for this tutorial. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, and remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!